Welcome to Tech Update. World is moving towards virtual meetings, virtual seminars and virtual webinars. Today, we're going to learn about virtual meeting via Zoom app. Almost all the virtual meeting apps works in a similar fashion. So let us start. The first step is to download the software. We need to first download the software. If you're using a phone, we can download it through a Google Play Store or an App Store. For the desktop users, one can go to the website or you can search it on the Google. You can download this app and you can download this app which is there. And then we need to run the Zoom installer. Once it gets installed, this is the screen which we generally get. You need to sign in or join in for the meeting. Let's start with the sign in option first. You need to sign in with your email ID. You can do it with your existing Google account or your Facebook account. After that, once you've logged in, you have a setting button which is on the right corner. You can change the audio and video settings. On the left hand side, we can see you can test your audio system in terms of the speakers are working, the mic is working properly. On the right hand side, there is a video, there is a screen which is showing that there is a video button. There's a video settings where you can change the virtual backgrounds if you want. Generally, plain background is generally preferred, or one can choose from various options, or you can have a customized background as well. After sign in, you can directly join the meeting by pressing it. For a meeting, we need a meeting ID and a password for the respective meetings. So if you want to join, somebody has given you an invitation, he has shared the meeting ID, you can put a meeting ID, you can enter your name which will be displayed on the screen. You have several options. The system can remember your name for future meetings as well. You can choose not to connect with your audio or video system when you join. Then you can join the meeting. After this, there is a password which is being asked by the system. Before, again, there's a dual check. Once we are getting into getting in the main meeting room, we can check with the audio and the video settings. And you can actually start your meetings after this. There is another, if you want to schedule a meeting, if you want to be a host and you want to host a meeting, then you can schedule this meeting. How can we do that? Is first, for the scheduled meeting, what is the topic? It has to be relevant, name of the topic has to be given. The starting time, when it will be starting, the duration, for how much duration this will be, meeting will be there. Generally, for 40 minutes, it is a free version, can help you with 40 minutes at one go. If you want to have an extended meeting, you can use a paid versions as well for one session. I'm saying you can definitely have multiple small sessions of 30 minutes each or maybe 40 minutes each. But if you want to have one session extending to 1 hour or beyond that, you will have to have a paid session. System can provide you with a system generated meeting ID and the password. You also have an option of choosing whether participant video is on or off. There's an option to schedule the meeting or keep a track with your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. There is advanced options as well. Once you enter the meeting, there, if the meeting is full, you can ask people to wait. You can ask them to join. You can enable other. You have automatically record the meetings for different for on your local computer. You can send this schedule, this invite via SMS, via mail. This is the system generated description which is there. You can copy it and you can share it over the mail, or you can SMS the same thing, which has got a meeting ID and the password. Now going live, once the time is there and you want to start a meeting, you have the screen which shows there is a schedule of a meeting which might start, or you want to start it early. You can start the meeting and you can ask everyone to join. Once they have joined, you can again have a provision to check your video and voice settings. There is a chat options as well, where it will show people can chat with putting text, writing text on that uh, via text. Then you can share the screen if the host wants to share certain thing, whether it is a presentation or a PPT or maybe Excel. He can share it with this share your screen. Then there's a record option. You can record the entire session and which can be viewed on the later. How you can, once the meeting is through, you can end the entire session as well. Thank you. Hope it was easy and helpful. Do let us know by sharing your comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.